empire. Thanks for coming to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be going over Make Wealth Real Financial. MWR Financial, I'm going to tell you all the things you need to know about Make Wealth Real that others might not tell you. All right, it's very important that when you get into these opportunities, that you know what you're getting into, that you know the products and services, and that you know the prices, and just to get all of the details before making that decision and that commitment to a business, okay? A lot of times when people jump into opportunities, they end up stopping and dropping out because they weren't fully aware of everything that was going on in the company. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm just going to make you fully aware of everything that you would need to know. And pretty much what you would need to know is what is Make Wealth Real? What are the costs to join? Are there any hidden fees? And what is the compensation plan? Okay, so let's get straight into this video. What is Make Wealth Real? Make Wealth Real is a company that is centered around financial wellness, saving money, managing money, and providing an opportunity to make money. The goal of MWR Financial is to help others help themselves, and their mission is to empower people to achieve financial independence. Make Wealth Real offers its members a number of services which include Money Max, which is tax reduction strategies, Credit Max, which has credit restoration, which is done for you, Equity Max that has debt elimination, and Wealth Max that has wealth generation strategies. Make Wealth Real offers its services to all, and you do not have to become a financial director or a builder to take advantage of the products and services. You can also just choose to be a customer for $80 a month. However, you cannot earn commissions for referring others. To join Make Wealth Real and earn a monthly income, it is $228.97, and this is to become a financial director as well as a Financial Edge customer. After joining, you will be a financial director in the company, and then all you need are 3 FDs that you personally bring into the company, and your monthly membership of $119 is waived every single month, okay, as long as they remain active. Now, as an FD, you receive all of the products and services. As I mentioned before, you get your own lead capture page so you can gather potential referrals and customers, and then you get your own back office where you can access all of your benefits, where you can view your customers, and you can also see all of the people that you've brought into the company. Okay, so you have options when you join Make Wealth Real. All right, you can choose to do both. You can choose to join as a builder as well as get the products and services, or you can join as a builder alone, or you can just join as a customer. You know, sometimes people don't really care to make money. You know, some people just say, those products and services are pretty good. I just want the products and services, okay? Can I do that? You can do that, all right? If you want to just be a customer, that is $79.87, pretty much $80 a month, all right? And you get all of the services combined: Money Max, Credit Max, Equity Max, and Wealth Max, all right? You get all of those services in one. A lot of times people join Make Wealth Real because of the credit restoration, the done-for-you credit repair, you know? But there is so much that you can get out of Make Wealth Real other than credit repair, okay? So if you want to, you can do both, and then when you refer 3 people, that monthly membership is waived, okay? So that's why I say just go ahead and do both, all right? Because once you get 3 people, it goes away. And there are always 3 people out there who are looking to make money and who can use these services. So it's not hard to find these people. It's just about putting yourself out there and, you know, putting your business out there where people can come to you, all right? Now, I highly suggest that if you are looking to make money with MWR, that you do both, okay? It's very important that you use the products and services because that's going to help you to explain to others, hey, this is what they have and this is what is done for me, okay? So if you are looking to join to make money, do both. All right, you want to be able to show people that you do use the products and services, that they are working, and that you are making money, okay? So it only makes sense to do both. Now, are there any hidden fees? When you join Make Wealth Real, the only cost is the initial $228.97 startup cost, and then $119.97 the following month. That is a monthly cost. That is what people most times leave out and forget to tell you, that it is $119.97 a month until you get 3 FDs on your own. And people do this assuming that you would get your 3 that same month. However, some people just don't get them their first month, all right? So be aware that it is a monthly cost until you do, all right? But once you do rank up as executive director and you have 3 people, it's free and there are no hidden fees, okay? So your focus is to get 3 people, all right? And if you get 3 people in your first month, you get a bonus, all right? So that's your focus. When you join this opportunity, get straight to work, all right? Learn the products and services, start promoting it, on Facebook or social media or in person, however you want to promote this, and get those 3 people, okay? So what is the compensation plan? Make Wealth Real has a rank system in which you earn monthly residuals as an MWR business owner. And the first rank for commissions for you to start earning money is executive director. And this happens after you have referred 3 financial directors under you, all right? 3 people that you have brought in on your own. And that will immediately rank you to executive director, earning you $150 a month. So 3 people get you a guaranteed $150 a month, all right? And then once your 3 people get 3 people, which will give you a team of 12 team members, is a guaranteed $600 a month in residual income, guaranteed, okay? Now, once you bring in 3 people, people can be placed under you by either me or my sponsor. People have to be placed. When we get extra people on board, those people have to be placed somewhere in our organization, okay? So you're pretty much making money off of my efforts. You're pretty much making money off of my sponsor's efforts, okay? This is team effort. I can't rank up and I can't earn unless I'm helping you earn, all right? So with Make Wealth Real, the more your team grows, the more you rank up. So it's a great way to boost your income without any additional work. All right, so as you can see in the photo, a team of 12 gets you 600, a team of 50 gets you 900, and these are guaranteed, all right? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go into the video, the company video, and I'm gonna let you watch this short clip of the compensation plan so you can get a better understanding of how everything works, all right? So take a look.
Let me introduce you to our 6-figure guaranteed income strategy. Using the power of you combined with our daily guaranteed income and our presidential bonuses, MWR Financial has created one of the easiest to achieve 6-figure residual income strategies in the industry. Here's how it works. Let's say you decided to take total control of your income by enrolling just 12 qualified financial directors yourself. This would immediately qualify you for $600 per month or $7,200 per year in daily guaranteed income. But it gets even better, because when those 12 enroll an average of just 5 each, who enroll 3 each, who enroll just 2 each, this would give you a team of 612 QFDs. And as you can see, with as few as 584 on your team, you could be earning $6,000 per month in daily guaranteed income, while also qualifying for level 3 of our presidential bonuses for another $2,500 per month. That's $8,500 per month, or a total of $102,000 per year to you. Oh, and as an added bonus, this would also qualify you for Tier 3 of our Luxury Vehicle Club bonuses. That would be another $3,000 per month in your pocket towards the luxury vehicle and or home of your choice. In other words, 12, 5, 3, 2 can create $102,000 per year for you to use for whatever you want, while your car and home are being paid for by MWR Financial. In other words, we've taken the guesswork out of creating the income you've always dreamed of by giving you a proven, predictable, and profitable roadmap to success. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that short clip. Now I'm just going to give you a few additional benefits of joining. When you join MWR Financial, you get paid daily, weekly, and monthly, all right? You get your own personal MWR Financial Visa debit card to earn your commissions on, all right? So if you want to get paid on your Visa card, you can get a Visa card from them, or you can get direct deposit to your bank account, whichever one is best for you, all right? I'm personally using the Visa card, but whichever one works best for you. Now, you can also earn a residual income, a monthly residual income, which means you are paid every single month, guaranteed. All right, it doesn't matter if your organization fluctuates or whatever. It's a guaranteed. As long as you have that amount of members in your organization and you're a certain rank, you're going to get that money for that rank, okay? And you also get high value services for a super low monthly price. All right, there are people out here paying thousands of dollars. All right, there were people who will pay thousands of dollars to get their credit repaired alone. All right, and you get way more when you join this opportunity. You don't just get credit repair. You also get the tax reduction strategies. You also get legal self-help. You also get complete debt elimination. All right. so much that you get valuable in this opportunity for a low monthly price. You can't beat it. And then, of course, you get the done for you credit repair, okay? It's done for you. You don't have to worry about the hassle of learning how to do it, getting all the paperwork, sending it off, all that stuff. That was my main reason of joining, because I don't have the patience. I don't have the time. I would rather just have somebody, a professional, do it for me, okay?